Okay, electricity conductor. The device which conducts electricity is called conductor. For domestic use, good cable has copper wires in it. Cable means wire, tar, that has copper wire inside it. And all the metals are electrically good conductors, and therefore examples are copper, silver, gold, brass, etc. And in the picture you can see one metal is used. In this metal it may be copper wire, or maybe silver wire, or aluminum wire. Okay, wire means that is good conductor of electricity. Then insulator is just opposite of conductor. You say bad conductor also. Insulator means bad conductor. Don't say poor conductor. Okay, bad. Don't say poor conductor. Poor conductor and bad conductor is different. This insulator means bad conductor. Bad conductor. Bad conductor means it cannot conduct electricity at all. एउटा पनि current electricity pass हुँदैन. That is bad conductor. Then in the picture you can see, in place of key, look here, in place of key, pencil is used. Pencil, outer part of the pencil is tossed to the switch. एउटा तारको भाग पेन्सिलको एउटा छेउमा, अर्को तारको भाग पेन्सिलको अर्को छेउमा जोडिएको छ. यो चाहिँ सेलमा मात्रै हो. यही घरमा इलेक्ट्रिक करेन्ट जुन हाम्रो बत्ती बाल्न प्रयोग गरिने हुन्छ त्यसमा चाहिँ यसरी चलाउनु हुँदैन. यो ब्याट्रीमा मात्र हामीले टेस्ट गर्ने हो यस्तो चीजहरु. तिमीले कुरा बुझेका छौ? हेलो, हजुर सर. यो तार हामीले बाहिर यो एउटा तार नाङ्गो, अर्को तार पनि नाङ्गो पारेर बिचमा पेन्सिल हाल्ने भनेको छ नि, यो ब्याट्रीमा मात्र हो. यो हामीले घरमा जोडेको तारमा यस्तो गर्नु हुँदैन है. घरमा जोडेको बत्ती बाल्नमा ल्याएको करेन्ट धेरै हाई भोल्टेज हुन्छ, त्यसले मान्छेलाई मार्न पनि सक्छ. त्यसकारणले यस्तोमा चाहिँ सेलमा मात्र हामीले यस्तो करेन्टको चल्नु पर्छ. घरमा भएको बत्तीको लागि चाहिँ बत्ती जडान गर्ने मान्छेलाई नै डाक्नु पर्छ. हामीले घरमै आफूले हामीले त यस्तो पढेको थियो भनेर पढेको आधारमा घरमा बत्तीमा चल्नु हुँदैन है. कुरा बुझ्छ? यो चाहिँ नितान्त यो सेलमा मात्र चल्ने हो. यस्तो यो खेलौनाहरुमा हुने बत्तीहरु हुन्छ, रिमोट कारहरुमा हुन्छ, त्यस्तोको तारहरु मात्रै हामीले यसरी टच गरेर चेक गर्न मिल्छ. घरको बत्तीमा चाहिँ गर्नै हुँदैन है. ओके. Then insulator means bad conductor which cannot pass electricity at all, cannot conduct. That means all the electric current is blocked, cannot conduct. Here is pencil. Pencil has wood. That wood is bad conductor. It is called insulator of electricity. Materials are rubber. Rubber is insulator. Pebble. Pebble means this is mud. Mud. This is insulator. Eraser. Eraser is insulator. Plastic is insulator. But if they are wet, with water, that becomes conductor. Okay. भिजेको छ भने कन्डक्टरको काम गर्छ यिनीहरुले. फेरि सुक्खा भएको छ भने in the dry condition only they are insulator and they cannot pass electricity. Okay. Outside of the wire there is plastic. Outside of wire there is plastic. हरेक वायरको बाहिरपट्टि प्लास्टिकले कभर गरेको हुन्छ कि हुँदैन? हुन्छ है. Yes. That is insulator. Otherwise we may get electric shock. इलेक्ट्रिक सक नहोस् भनेर बाहिरपट्टि प्लास्टिकले कभर गरिएको हुन्छ, that is insulator. A properly insulated cable, a properly insulated cable can be tossed with our can be tossed without any electric shock. Properly insulated cable लाई हामीले डाइरेक्ट हातले छुन पनि मिल्छ. There is no danger. But if that is broken in some places, that is danger. Okay. Therefore, we should take care about current. हामीले अलिकति जानेको भरमा इलेक्ट्रिक करेन्टसँग चल्नु चाहिँ हुँदैन है. Okay. Then now we studied about conductor and insulator. Conductor and insulator. Then there is another material, semiconductor. Can you guess anything about this semiconductor?
No, sir.
No. Do you know the semi-final game? In the game, we say semi-final.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Semi-final means before the final. Before the final.
Sir, may I tell?
Okay. Try once. Okay, try.
Those material which allow partial flow of electricity through them are called semiconductor.
Semiconductor, yes. Partial, don't say partial. That is yes. Okay. Nisha. Okay.
Sir?
Okay, I think you are trying to tell. No, okay. Semiconductor means here is insulator, here is conductor, and here is semiconductor. That means this is insulator. This is conductor. In between insulator and conductor, there is semiconductor. That means insulator cannot pass current at all. Conductor pass current all. But semiconductor means some part is passed and some part is blocked. That is semiconductor. Electricity is conducted partially only. Electricity is conducted partially. That is called semiconductor. You can see here one picture. Semiconductor is a material whose conductivity properties lie between conductor and insulator. Yes. Between conductor and insulator. And these types are not important for you. These type semiconductors are different types. This is the type of semiconductor. It is not so important for you. In radio, television, etc. That electric all devices, internal structure is made by these type of small devices. You can see here, yes. Inside radio, television, there is one plate. Inside plate, these type of devices, the small tools are used. These all are semiconductors. This lead light is also semiconductor. Some part is passed through it, and some part of current is blocked by these. Those are semiconductor. That means the devices, the tools which conduct electricity partially are called semiconductor. Semiconductors are neither very good conductor nor very bad insulator. In between. Okay. Silicon and germanium are the main element used in semiconductor. Silicon and germanium. These are the main elements used in semiconductor. Okay, and according to the temperature of the material, its conductivity is changed. टेम्परेचर बढ्ने अथवा घट्ने आधारमा यसले करेन्ट अगाडि पास गर्ने प्रक्रिया घटबढ हुन्छ। त्यसैको आधारबाट यसलाई रेडियो टेलिभिजनमा हामीले प्रयोग गरेको देख्छौं र हाम्रो यहाँ छ हेर त सेमिकन्डक्टरका केही एक्जाम्पलहरू। नाम तिमीलाई आवश्यक छैन तैपनि म भनिदिन्छु। डायोड, first one is this is a diode, resistor, this is light, diode, first one diode, second one resistor, third one is lead light, and this is called capacitor, and this is also capacitor. Okay, and this is also capacitor. 3 legs are here, capacitor, and IC is also this blue color is IC. Legs are not shown here. Okay, in this way there are different devices which are used in electric devices. Internally they all are semiconductors. कति करेन्ट पास गराउनु पर्ने पास गराउँछ, रोक्नु पर्नेमा रोक्छ। यो आधारबाट सेमिकन्डक्टरहरूले काम गरिरहेको हुन्छ। Okay, in this way we finished this chapter. You read the summary, you read the whole chapter, whole unit in the textbook, and try to solve the exercises given in the textbook. Okay, fill the gap, tick the correct option, and question answer also. Okay, students, then you do exercise yourself, and if you get any confusion, you then you consult me. Okay, students.